Hi guys, welcome to part 2 of natural law.
As we've said already, Aquinas believed that reason allows humans to arrive at the right course of action in a moral dilemma.
Aquinas believed that there are 4 types of law that govern the universe. So the first one is eternal law.
Eternal law is the principles by which God made and controls the universe, and these laws are only fully known by God.
Divine law.
Divine law reflects God's eternal law and is revealed in Holy Scripture, for example the Bible.
Natural law.
Natural law is the theory that an eternal and absolute moral law can be discovered by reason.
And human law.
And human law is the laws that govern our society.
So from these rational ends we can get the primary precepts, which are 5 observable goods that we'll pursue.
And Aquinas believed that these were the fundamental principles of natural law and that they are always true and apply to everyone without exception.
For this we could use the acronym POWER, P standing for preservation of life,
O standing for ordered society,
W for worship of God,
E for education,
and R for reproduction.
And these primary precepts reflect the divine will because God designed us with a rational nature in his image.
So Aquinas believed that to apply these precepts to situations we must use reason to discover secondary precepts. So for example, a lot of Roman Catholics will apply natural law
to issues such as abortion,
contraception,
euthanasia,
and less controversial things like free education.
You could argue that was a natural law.
These applications can change as society changes. For example, Aquinas suggests polygamy may be justified.
And obviously, as times have changed, the applications of the primary precepts changed, and so secondary precepts will change as well. And Aquinas makes the natural law theory deontological because he gives rules for how human beings should act without considering the consequences of them. So he kind of makes natural law good in itself.
Aquinas believes that we cannot consciously sin because of the synderesis principle. For example, genocide breaks the natural law as it does not preserve life. This is an example of an apparent good, which is something that seems to be the right thing to do, but doesn't fit the perfect human ideal.
And this can occur as a result of a misuse of reason or of misunderstanding of the divine law. Aquinas believe that there's an ideal human nature that we can all live up to or fall away from, and that we need to use our reason correctly to work out what is real good and what is apparent good. He said that God has given us inclinations to behave in certain ways which can lead us to the supreme good.
This is the end of our part 2 natural law video. Thank you for watching and hope you can subscribe, comment and like.